Hello and welcome to WHIR TV. I'm Anastasia Tabanos. We're back in Baltimore for ISPCON Spring 2006 show. Let's take a look at how it turned out. Attendance for the spring installation of ISPCON reached a little over 1,800 people, and approximately 84 exhibitors ranging from telecom providers, wireless hardware experts, and web hosts filled the conference hall. Success Stories was the theme of this season's conference, and the show featured a variety of sessions that share the successes of companies from various parts of the industry. John Price, the show organizer, talks about why Success Stories works as this season's theme.
It seemed a great framework for us to build the conference around, actually, which is, instead of just talking about the technology, how are you successful with it? What are you doing with it that's really making you a lot of money? And talk about that specifically. Show me the spreadsheet kind of stuff.
Candace Rodriguez, Director of Marketing and Business Development at the Web Host Industry Review, moderated the Hosting Success Stories session, where big-name players like CI Host, Server Beach, Hostway, and Easy Street gave out tips on how to build a successful hosting enterprise. The event also featured 2 keynote addresses, which took place during the first 2 days of the conference. Day 2's Neutrality Reality keynote featured author David Eisenberg, where he discussed the growing resistance against the all-powerful telecom companies and the growing effort to work towards a more free internet experience for all end users. In general, exhibitors felt the conference met their expectations, but some felt the show could use some changes.
I think it went pretty well. I think some of the sessions were very helpful. There was a marketing session this afternoon or this morning that was extremely beneficial. We walked away with some very, very, kind of immediately tactical strategies that we're going to look to put in place, next week. So that alone, I think, is going to be very, very, very helpful for us.
I haven't stayed in the exhibits. We haven't got up to many of the presentations, but I'd like to see maybe more floor presentations out at the exhibits. Maybe keep some of the people around the exhibits a little bit more.
We came to ISPCON to get to ISPs and hosting companies, which is a great target for us to sell our private label exchange hosting service to. And it's been a great way to meet them. We actually went to the ISPCON in Santa Clara last year, which was very productive. We closed a few customers, and which encouraged us to come back to this one and exhibit again in Santa Clara this year.
Next time around, I'd love to see more people here to talk with. I guess that would be the great thing. As always, the more people to see and understand and talk to about their problems is always better from our standpoint. But overall, I think it's been a great show.
Attendees also shared their thoughts on the show.
We're here today because we need to find out what's going on in the industry. We like to meet new people, and you never know when you can make a good networking connection or if you need something somewhere. The other thing is it's just good for us to be on top of what's going on because of the WHIR-centric website. We need to know what's happening, when it's going to happen, and if in fact it'll make a difference to the people that basically hit our site on a regular basis.
Because I'm interested in the ISP market, we're developing a solution for the ISP market, and I wanted to learn more and actually meet ISP owners, and it hasn't disappointed me. I've actually met a few in just a few hours, so actually, again, that's why I'm sorry I didn't attend from the very get-go.
Well, we are here primarily to go see the in-stream people because we buy our router from them and we like them. And we figured since it's, hour and a half drive, we might as well take a look at what else is going on.
The fall edition of ISPCON will take place from November 7th to the 9th at the Santa Clara Convention Center in California. And that wraps up the spring installation of ISPCON 2006. Be sure to join us in the next couple of weeks as we bring you exclusive footage from the sessions, as well as an interview with show organizer John Price. Thank you for watching. Please be sure to join us next week. I'm Anastasia Tabanos for WHIR TV.